विकास उपाध्याय बिफोर 2.0 and after 2.0 बीइंग में क्या चेंज आ रहा है? सो इफ यू जस्ट शेयर दैट, प्लीज.
मैं शुरू में यकीन नहीं था कि ठीक है इतने सारे कोर्सेज हैं एक और कर लूंगा, तो थोड़ा शायद मुझे वो एक होर्डिंग का शौक होता है, लोग इकट्ठा करते रहते हैं सामान, तो मैं ये नए कोर्सेज सीखना, यूट्यूब वीडियो देखना, ये थोड़ा सा अगर मैं अभी बैठ के सोचूं तो ये शायद मेरे बीइंग का पार्ट था. हमेशा से मजा आता है ये भी. तो बहुत सारी जानकारी मेरे खुद से अगर पूछो तो बहुत सारी जानकारी है मेरे पास. सॉरी आई जस्ट recall Ashwara is also. So I know a lot of things. But as we started today's session with inhale, hold and exhale. So inhalation, wonderful. I'm very good at it. So that is one thing I've been like still I'm realizing and I'm working on it. Lots of inhalation. But then I started with marketing 2.0 and even before, slightly before that. Around when we had interaction, I started on that, interacting with him and implementing certain things. Yes, I have certain limitations because I am a single person, and so I have limitations because if there is my engagement, it's 100% engagement somewhere, so I cannot do other things. So I am just working on it and lots of learning which I am implementing. And one thing is that, another thing today, one thing I realized, like I am working on things. And there is no focus on growth. So 10 years down the line, I'll still be doing the same thing. As I said, Gada Mazuri. So that is something we have to, we all are here to move beyond it. So different people have different levels. So I'm here, somebody's here, somebody's here. So everybody wants to move from that place to somewhere like point B. So
very nice.
So we all have our point A, point B. We want to move from point A to point B. So for that, the focus has to be on growth. So I'm learning to implement that thing and
becoming a great marketeer.
Yes.
Give a round of applause to him. Thank you so much.
Thank you.